Power DC diesel generator, seamless BMS charging solution, direct charging, maximum efficiency, zero power loss, direct DC output, fully compatible with BMS, bypassing AC, DC conversion inefficiencies, faster charging, optimized voltage, regulation for rapid battery replenishment, fuel savings, up to 15% higher energy efficiency versus traditional AC generators plus rectifiers, reliable performance, coeless industrial-grade diesel engine, ensures durability in harsh environments, perfect for microgrid and renewable hybrid systems, telecom tower backup power, or fleet industrial BMS charging.